we are going to be finding the equation of the line tangent to the parabola 2x squared at the point 2, 8. So that is 2, 8 right there. The first thing we're going to do is start finding the line. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, basic point slope form. So y minus 8 equals m times x minus 2, or mx minus 2m. So then y equals mx minus 2m plus 8. Now that we have the line, now we start on the parabola. Y equals 2x squared. Y equals 2x squared equals this up here. So y equals 2x squared equals mx minus 2m plus 8. So now we have 2x squared equals mx minus 2m plus 8. Now, as you know, to solve a quadratic, you bring everything over to one side, 0 on the other. You can use quadratic formula or whatever method is available. So now I'm going to do this in different colors so you can see the A, B, and C for the quadratic formula. 2x squared minus mx plus 2m minus 8 equals 0. So now that's your A, that is your B, that whole thing is your C. So if you're having trouble figuring out which is which, the coefficient on the x squared is A, coefficients on the x is B, anything without an x is C. So both of these terms are the C. So now, as we know, this has to be tangent right here, one and only one point, which means this quadratic can have one and only one solution. So the way we do that, remember back from algebra, b squared minus 4ac, the discriminant. If it's positive, you have two real solutions. If it's negative, you have two complex solutions. And if it's 0, you have one and only one real solution. So b squared minus 4ac must equal 0. So b squared, which is m, so negative m squared minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is this whole thing, 2m minus 8 equals 0. Now it turns out this one has a simple solution, so you can do it by factoring in all of that. It just happened to work out that way. But what I would do is put this into your calculator, have it solve it, and you will get m equals 8. And now we're going to dump everything into Desmos to check it. It's very difficult on some of these harder problems to check them mathematically. But if you put it into Desmos and they work, and the line is tangent to the parabola, the chances of that happening by luck are almost 0. So let's put in the parabola, 2x squared. And now let us put in the line, y minus 8 equals 8, which is our slope, times x minus 2, which is our line. And you will see here, they come together at one and only one point. So the line is tangent to the parabola, and that is our check. So we know that our slope is correct, and we know we did this right.